So, you said you're suicidal. So, what is the feeling that you're usually struggling with? Is it lack of love? Is it stress? Is it worried? What do you struggle with?
मतलब मुझे डर लगता है और अभी प्रेशर इतना है कि हर दिन देखिए कैसा निकल रहा है चैलेंज के साथ कि नहीं करना है एनी हाउ
If the fear started at 5, it was there at 20, it was there at 25, it was there at 30, and it was also now there at 36. Point is, the fear has become what? ये reality है कि belief है? All of you repeat with me, I am powerful. I have already manifested so much negative.
I manifested so much negative.
So can we stop that? Can we change that? We can change that. So my question is very simple. Do you want to continue this emotional pattern? So, you said you're suicidal. Try किया?
ट्राई नहीं किया बट ऐसा लगा कि अगर मैं कुछ भी करती हूँ तो अगले दिन ऐसा होगा कि कुछ भी सोचेंगे लोग और 2 घंटे में जला के आ जाएंगे और कुछ बचेगा नहीं लाइफ के आगे सो मतलब यही
ट्राई किया कि नहीं किया?
ट्राई नहीं किया
ट्राई नहीं किया?
बट ये पता है कि अगर
क्यों
मैं
ट्राई नहीं
आज
किया? ये
रात
सोच
को
के कि
कुछ
कल तो
किया-
लोग वैसे ही जला देंगे तो फायदा कुछ नहीं होगा. तो मतलब आप चाहते क्या थे? ट्राई करने के बाद लोग आपको 15-20 दिन रखें, रोएं, स्मेल करें, क्या मतलब क्या? व्हाट वाज योर एक्सपेक्टेशन?
मतलब मेरा ये थॉट रहा है कि ये लाइफ एक बार मिला है और जल्दी नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए, नहीं तो कोई दूसरा जो आपको गलत वो मिल जाता है लाइफ इस वजह से. तो अगर मैंने मतलब बहुत बार ऐसा है और अभी भी अगर मुझे कुछ कमिंग डेज में अगर फ्यूचर नजर नहीं आएगा तो आई डोंट नो व्हाट विल हैपन बट
So what is the feeling that you're usually struggling with? Is it lack of love? Is it stress? Is it worried? What do you struggle with?
फियर इन सिंस चाइल्डहुड
Fear about?
fear about marriage each and every area.
Are you
because-
married?
Not.
So fear of not being married? Or fear of being married?
मतलब नॉट मैरिड ऑल्सो और
नहीं
मतलब
तो शादी हो जाएगी इसका डर है कि शादी नहीं होगी इसका डर है?
मतलब मुझे डर लगता है और अभी प्रेशर इतना है कि हर दिन देखिए कैसा निकल रहा है चैलेंज के साथ कि नहीं करना है एनी हाउ. 2 छोटी सिस्टर्स की शादी हो चुकी है, उनके 5-5 साल के बच्चे हैं. इवन मैं एल्डर मतलब मैं सबसे बड़ी हूँ घर के अंदर और
तो
शुरू से
उनकी तरफ से प्रेशर है आपको शादी करने का,
पापा मम्मी की तरफ से क्योंकि उनको
एंड
health
यू आर
challenge-
स्कैर्ड
या
कि अगर शादी कर दी तो क्या होगा?
हाँ बिकॉज
आपको करनी ही नहीं करनी?
मतलब करनी है बट मैं उस पर्सन को जानती हूँ तो मैं उससे कर सकती हूँ क्योंकि मैंने 2 अपने रोका कैंसिल कर दिए 2014 एंड 17 बिकॉज कि वो बात करो मिलो और मुझसे वो हैंडल नहीं होता. मतलब
Right.
डर लगने लग जाता है.
So emotion is fear, डर लगने लग जाता है.
बहुत
Right?
ज्यादा.
All of you write down what is the 1 or 2 emotions that you struggle with most. So if you observe what I'm trying to identify here is what? Emotional pattern, habit. And if you observe, yeah, can we give us some water? The emotion of fear, ये आज से या शादी की वजह से नहीं आया है.
मुझे डर
ये सालों से चल रहा है.
या मैं
कब से चल रहा है? बचपन से चल रहा है.
मैं जब 4-5 साल की थी तो मैं नाम तो नहीं लूंगी बट मैंने किसी क्लोज वन को ऐसा मतलब किसी के ऊपर हाथ उठाते हुए देख लिया.
Correct.
तब से मुझे लगा कि ऐसा ही होता है दुनिया में. और
In a husband and wife relationship, you saw one person hitting the other person,
Yeah.
and you feel कि relationship ऐसे ही होते हैं, तो तब से डर शुरू हुआ.
हाँ तो मैंने अपनी स्टडीज में बहुत फोकस किया. मतलब इतना फोकस कि मैं हमेशा फर्स्ट डिवीजन आती रही और घर में रहा कि तुम बड़ी हो तो तुम सही रहोगी तो बाकी भाई बहन सही रहेंगे. बट पता चला वो सब आगे निकल गए और मैं वहीं रह गई.
So if you observe, the fear was there when she was what age? 5 years age. What's your age today?
I have completed 36 years now.
Okay, so 36 years and she still has fear? She had, if the fear started at 5, it was there at 20, it was there at 25, it was there at 30, and it was also now there at 36. The point is the fear has become what? Habit. How many of you have small bad habits like moving your fingers, moving your feet? Anybody has those fidgety habits? It's a habit, right? What's a habit? Something you can't control. It happens on its own. So for her, the emotion of fear has become a habit. If you right now see, she did write in the Google form, that means she wanted support. Am I right? Yes. But when I took her name, did she stand up? No. Why not? Fear. So that fear has become again a habit. Is this fear helping you emotionally? The way you feel about it right now? अच्छा लग रहा है fear feel करके?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
बिल्कुल
और
भी नहीं.
अभी ऐसा हो गया है कि मुझे IBS इज़ अ वेरी स्मॉल थिंग बट क्योंकि मेरा सबकॉन्शियस माइंड ने इतना स्ट्रेस था लास्ट 6 मंथ्स में कि सबकॉन्शियस माइंड ये समझना भूल गया है कि ये डाइजेस्ट कैसे करते हैं चीज़ों को.
कौन समझना भूल गया?
सबकॉन्शियस
कौन?
माइंड मतलब मेरे डॉक्टर ने मुझे बताया है
अच्छा, डॉक्टर ने बताया?
जी। तो
उसने उसका एड्रेस दिया सबकॉन्शियस माइंड का?
नहीं, तो उसकी वजह से
नहीं,
मेरी
कहाँ है
हेल्थ
सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, कहाँ है?
पता नहीं मतलब माइंड में ही है
सो यू फील फियर बिकॉज, आगे बोलो, बिकॉज मेरा सबकॉन्शियस माइंड क्या?
अंडरस्टैंड नहीं करता है, समझ नहीं पा रहा चीज़ों को कि कैसे डाइजेस्ट करना है, तो इम्यून
Okay.
सिस्टम और डाइजेस्ट
What is this?
इम्पैक्टेड है।
She's developed a belief that I am scared because my subconscious mind is stuck. अब ये रियलिटी है कि बिलीफ है?
बट ये डॉक्टर ने कहा है बिकॉज
तो जो डॉक्टर बोलता है हमेशा सही होता है?
बट इससे मेरे लंग्स में इम्पैक्ट आने लग गया है, स्वेलिंग
हाँ।
आने लग गया है, क्योंकि डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर रहा चीज़ों को, तो मुझे
Correct.
दवाई लेनी हो रही है, और ड्यू टू द सिर्फ स्ट्रेस इज अ
तो
रीजन।
व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डाइजेशन सिस्टम ठीक नहीं है, उसका सबकॉन्शियस माइंड से क्या लेना देना?
वो बोल
मतलब
रहे
सुबह
हैं
पॉटी नहीं आती या गैसेस बहुत हो जाते हैं, क्या व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दैट?
हाँ, ऐसी कुछ चीज़ें होने
ऐसी
लगी
कुछ
हैं।
चीजें होती हैं, तो उसका
उससे
सबकॉन्शियस
ज्यादा
से क्या लेना
over level पे हो रही
देना?
है
उसका
यार।
सबकॉन्शियस से क्या लेना देना?
वो कह रहे हैं कि माइंड डाइजेस्ट ही नहीं कर रहा, मतलब
तो उन्होंने
समझ
बोल
नहीं
दिया,
पा
आपने
रहा
मान लिया?
चीज़ों को। डोंट हैव ऑप्शन।
Don't have an option. She really doesn't have an option? Is this belief or is this reality? बट क्या होता है कई बार when an authority says something to us, तो हम वो मान लेते हैं. Is that right? But does it always have to be true? All of you repeat with me. 99%, साथ में बोलो, 99% things in life
99% things in life
are beliefs.
are beliefs.
Only 1% is reality.
Only 1%.
अब वो 1% रियलिटी क्या है मैं बताता हूं. 1% रियलिटी इज लाइफ एंड डेथ, डे एंड नाइट, डार्कनेस एंड लाइट. These are 1% things in life which are reality. बाकी it is our interpretation of life. Is that right? So when she's accepting that her subconscious mind is stuck and she's not able to digest things in life, subconsciously and even physically, is that her reality or is that her belief? And that belief is converting into her reality. So you are so powerful that for the last 30 years in your life, if you develop this fear at the age of 6,
Yes.
for 30 years of your life, you've manifested fear because of this belief. You're so powerful. This is you manifesting all this in your life.
Yes.
Now, if you can manifest this, you can stop manifesting this and you can manifest something else.
Or
All of you repeat with me, I am powerful.
I am powerful.
I have already manifested so much negative.
I have manifested so much negative.
So can we stop that? Yes. Can we change that? Yes. We can change that. So my question is very simple. Do you want to continue this emotional pattern?
No.
रखना है कि नहीं रखना है?
No.
ये बिलीफ हेल्प कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है?
इसने मुझे हर एरिया में फेल कर दिया है,
तो अभी
because
रखना है इसको कि नहीं रखना है?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं।
पक्का?
करियर में मैं बहुत डाउन हूँ सर।
तो ये बिलीफ रखना है कि नहीं रखना है?
नहीं रखना।
पक्का?
पक्का 100%।
सोच लो.
सर, जीने के लिए जिंदगी आगे मिले, इसलिए ही मैं ये सब ज्वाइन किया।
माइक माइक, हाँ.
लाइफ आगे चले और अच्छे से सेट हो पाऊँ, मेरा फर्स्ट डायरेक्शन।
श्योर है? डिसीजन है?
1000%।
पक्का?
या
लॉक कर दिया जाए?
या
She wants to live. Let's give her a big round of applause for that first. All right. So what is the opposite of fear?
आपने मुझे कंफर्टेबल का बताया था,
Comfort.
मैं वही कर रही हूँ,
Comfort.
इसलिए बैलेंस हूँ एक
So
मंथ से।
fear का opposite courage नहीं होता है. Fear का opposite comfort होता है. So whatever is the opposite of your emotion, write it down. All of you. For her, it is comfort.
Yeah.
So say it with me. I'm comfortable.
I'm comfortable.
I'm comfortable not being married.
I'm comfortable not being married.
I'm comfortable being married.
I'm comfortable being married.
I'm comfortable with the pressure of my parents.
I'm comfortable with the pressure of my parents.
I'm comfortable even if they don't put pressure.
I'm comfortable with that they don't put pressure on me.
I'm comfortable if I get married
I'm comfortable if I get married.
and it doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
I'm comfortable if I get married
I'm comfortable if I get married.
and it works.
Or it works.
And then I have to be scared for kids. हो सकता है ना? It might work. And then the next fear is what? बच्चे. But emotion is just a habit. So can we change that habit from fear to comfort?
Yes.
So how do you have that solid comfort by changing the belief? What is your belief? My subconscious mind is stuck. I can't digest things. What is the opposite of that?
I can digest the thing.
My subconscious mind is flexible.
My subconscious mind is
My
flexible.
subconscious mind is open.
My subconscious mind is
I
open.
can digest anything.
I can digest everything.
Say it loudly 5 times.
My subconscious mind is active and I can digest everything.
5 times.
My subconscious mind is working properly. I can digest everything. My subconscious mind is working. I forgot. but
That's okay, continue.
my subconscious mind is working and I can digest everything. My subconscious mind is working and I can digest everything. My subconscious mind is working and I can digest everything.
Turn towards the side, check her eyes. If she's feeling like crying right now. Where are the tears gone? Try to cry.
Not now.
Try. You're a queen at crying, no?
No.
Are you able to cry right now?
No.
This is her new reality. Who created this reality? She created this new reality. Now, what if you lived this belief that my subconscious mind is working and I can digest everything. I can digest anything. Can you digest success?
Yes.
Can you digest failure?
Yes.
Love?
Yes.
Hate? Criticism? Compliment?
Yes.
Can you just give her a compliment? Can you digest that?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You just have to say yes. Whatever you say yes becomes reality for you.
Yes.
So give her a compliment again.
Thank you.
Now give her a criticism. Can you digest that?
Yes,
Can you
I
digest that?
Yes, sir.
When she can digest the compliment and criticism both, that's when she's become unconditional and unlimited. Give her a big round of applause for that.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Now, would you like this to continue?
Sir, yes, of course.
And if you did this for the next 1 year, how would your life be?
Amazing, because मैंने इनको बताया
And
कि
if you did this for the next 10 years, how would
you
life
are
be?
universe for me. ये जब प्लैटिनम में आई तो ये मेरी नई लाइफ है, क्योंकि मुझे बस लाइफ में अब जाना है, आगे पीछे नहीं आना है, अदरवाइज
See the
पीछे
words?
गई तो
The
मैं
vocabulary has shifted, right? And if you did this for 10 years, where you believed that your subconscious mind is with you and you can digest anything, love, hate, criticism, compliment, success, failure, if you believed this for the next 10 years, how would life be?
अमेजिंग, मतलब आई कांट बिलीव कि मैं ये एक जिंदगी में 2 जीना था, वो 2 हो जाएगा मेरा.
So life is,
अमेजिंग,
awesome,
ऑसम, ब्यूटीफुल,
life is,
इवन आई कांट से इन द वर्ड्स कि क्या है लाइफ.
life is,
ऑसम,
life is.
मिरेकल.
Now she's willing to live. Let's give her a big round of applause for that.
थैंक यू सर.
Did you love that video? Would you also love to experience something like this? Come and be part of our advanced reflection course, where there are people who get a chance to talk to me like this in a group, and I'm able to coach people live during these calls to transform their life in just 30 minutes. I've been able to do this for more than 4 years now with more than 10,000 people. In fact, here's my gift to you. In the link of the description below, you'll find a registration link. Quickly register right now for the first lesson of Advanced Law of Attraction completely free. When you join the first lesson free, it'll give you a lot of clarity on how and why I'm able to help people upgrade their frequency with Law of Attraction. In fact, when you join Law of Attraction Advanced program, I will probably coach you live if you're part of the program, because many times when people share their Zoom hand and they tell us that they're going through suicidal thoughts or they're going through depression, sometimes I'm able to use some of these people as a case study to coach them live. And the best part is they transform their life during the course in just 30 minutes. Want to be part of such an amazing course? Quickly click on the registration link. Register now. I'll see you during the introduction of Advanced Law of Attraction. And there is a lot of bonuses for you when you sign up right now. Okay? Hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon so that the next time I'm creating such amazing life case studies, you definitely get a notification. And if you know anybody who you think can be inspired by this interview and this live coaching with, please share this with some of your friends so they can also learn how to take care of their emotional health easily. See you soon in the next video. Bye.